Miaka inana mbere ya bururi wa Kenya kuhingia kiraniro gya kuhukia murimu wa malaria, mitaratara mikinyaniru nithiite na mbere na kwarirwo niguo kunina murimu uyu kaimana. Mutafariri wa mihango ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Rashid Aman augite mwaka wa kigina wa 2022-2023 kigina gya kuhurana murimu uyu nikirongereirwo na shiringi milioni 800 itajira ya guteithiriria kaunti iria ikomagirwo ni murimu uyu kungethanira naguo.
Increased resource allocation for malaria, and in this financial year the Ministry of Health has over and above the resources allocated by Treasury to fight malaria.
Gitaro kia Nyanza na Western kirutaka gicunji kia 75 aria ni arwaru milioni 3.2 a malaria, ona gutwika thirikari cia kaunti ici ni hotete gucokia na thi murimu uyu kuuma gicunji kia 27 harĩ igana mwaka wa 2015 nginyagia gicunji kia 19 harĩ igana mwaka wa 2020.
What we are praying is that the vaccine that is coming up can be quickly rolled down.
Itajira ya guteithiriria Kenya kuhurana na murimu wa malaria, thirikari ni ikoretwo ikiheana neti cia rwagi mwaka muhituku ikiheana neti milioni 16.
Kakamega County received the new PBO pyrethroid nets in response to the emerging resistance by mosquitoes to pyrethroid-only nets. Additionally, these nets are now being provided to pregnant women and children.
Mwaka muhituku mutongoria wa bururi ni arugoririe njira ya kiriu ya kuhuhiriria rwagi dawa ihumo-ini cia mai, riu thirikari ikinyitanira na ataramu kuma bururi-ini wa Cuba aria megukorwo guku bururi-ini ihinda-ini ria miaka 2 ni maguteithiriria na njira itiganite hari uria Kenya ingihukia murimu uyu kaimana. Hari uhuthiri wa njanjo ya malaria, aciari ni moritio gutwara ciana ciao kwamukira njanjo ino na thutha wa kumiamukira makorio guthie na mbere na gwithaitira na njira ya gukoma rungu rwa neti huhiririe dawa.
After the successful mobilization of resources and a favorable advisory from the Kenya Immunization Technical Advisory Group, the Ministry of Health will scale up the malaria vaccine to all sub-counties in Kakamega and in the malaria endemic lake region by June this year.
Murimu uyu no mwa mirimu iria yurugaga andu na njira nene guku bururi-ini na makiria ciana. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritoraka ni Wanjiru wa Foro.